Hey, what's going on today? YouTube, Memphis Mike here outside, and I got a little time on my hand. A buddy of mine just bought this Rocket 3 Triumph. I believe it's a 2013. Barely got 10,000 miles, and I'm storing it at my house for him. And I thought I would polish the tank up for him. The bike has been well maintained, well kept and everything, but over the years, you know, sometimes our tank gets a few little scuffs and scratches from setting up, maybe your jacket rubbing against it. And I thought, for my buddy, the Goldwing Cowboy out in Oklahoma, I thought, hey man, I'm gonna polish your tank up. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today for polishing this. Just a simple task here. I've got 3 products. First off, I'm gonna use is a waterless wash right here. The bike is extremely clean. I'm just gonna be doing the tank mainly. But waterless wash is great for wintertime if it's not too bad. Many companies sell it. I happen to be using Cougar Chemical. It's a local place. Let's see what else. I'm also going to be using a random orbital polisher using the Griot Complete Compound to buff out those scratches. And then I'm going to follow up with a product I've been really happy with, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic coat spray. I've been having good success with this. It's got great hydrophobic qualities in it, and it's been a very nice product, easy to use, easy to apply, and I've been extremely pleased with it. You can pick this up on Amazon, by the way. Anyway, so let's get started. So first off, I'm going to use the waterless wash on this thing here. It's basically just a cleaner, and kind of take it down to, you know, take all whatever coating is on there right now, so we can start with a clean surface. So using a microfiber cloth, a clean microfiber cloth at that. This tank is not in bad shape, but I thought, you know what, for my buddy Goldwing Cowboy, I'm gonna fix you up, partner, so when you come it'll be nice and shiny. We all want that tank to look good when we clean our bikes. One thing I'd suggest when you do clean, get out of that habit of swirling. Just make nice long strokes on it right there to clean it and wipe down. That's what all the fancy detailers tell me anyway, and that's the practice that I've been doing. So I've cleaned it right now. Really doesn't have much slick feeling to it at this point. Now I'm going to take my 3-inch random orbital polisher. This is by Griot's Garage right here. I'm going to prep my pad. You want to start with your pad nice and filled with your polish. And this is not a real aggressive polish. This tank is not in bad shape. No real deep scratches on here at all. So we got the pad prepped. I'm gonna put a little bit here on the tank as well. Won't take much. I got a lot on the pad here. I'm just gonna kind of dab on here. Most of the area is right here in front of the seat. Right here. So let's get to polishing. I'm gonna start off with it on low. Kind of rub some of it in just a little bit. And one tip, be sure and start with your pad on the tank, otherwise you'll sling polish everywhere. This 3 inch is really good. You can get in nice tight areas. You may have to come back and hand polish a little bit. Like I say, when you turn it off, make sure you're still on the surface area. I'm going to get this side here. All right, we're just gonna wipe it off now. I'm gonna do that with a different rag. This griot wipes off really easy. Like I say, it's a very not real aggressive compound. Don't be afraid to use a random orbital polisher. Once you learn how to do it, it'll produce amazing results. Flip the rag over. Looks pretty good already. This is on a Triumph Rocket 3. Boy, this thing is a beast. Actually feels pretty slick right there. Believe we got it all off. I'm going to come back with a final coat of ceramic spray coating from Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. It's not a paste wax. It's got great hydrophobic properties though. Water will shed off. Again, just making long swipes on it. You want to stay away from swirling with your rag. Oh yeah. The Goldwing Cowboy is gonna drop his jaw when he sees this. Man, I can feel it slick already. Oh yeah. Learned this from my buddy JP down in Georgia. There we go. I'm going to take my light and just look at it. Oh yeah. Take out those fine scratches. This has got a nice paint job. It's kind of black with a little bit of speckle in it. Silver. Oh yeah, I think he's going to be happy with that. Heck yeah. Really got that area down by the tank where your jacket may hit. Yeah, I'll probably end up doing the whole bike for him. Well, there we go. That tank looks better than new. So I appreciate you watching this. Hope you enjoy this Goldwing Cowboy. Enjoy your new to you used ride. Look forward to seeing you when you come and pick it up. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is Memphis Mike, and I will see you later.